Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 3500HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, running boards, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar communication system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.